What makes this world, our Earth, so uniquely special? We often look up at the vast, star-dusted canopy of the night sky and wonder if there is another place quite like this. Is our planet merely a speck of dust in the cosmic ocean? Just another rock orbiting a distant star? Or is it something more? A living, breathing sanctuary, the only home we will ever know. These are not idle questions. They compel us to look more closely at the ground beneath our feet and the air we breathe, to appreciate the circumstances that make our existence possible. This journey is about understanding that home, from its fiery core to its delicate, life-sustaining surface. Our planet is a traveler through the cosmos, gracefully circling its parent star, the Sun. The Sun is the engine of our world, bathing us in warmth and light that fuels nearly all life. Earth, the third planet from the Sun, sits in the Goldilocks zone, neither scorched nor frozen, where liquid water can persist. This simple fact underpins the entire story of life on Earth. While the surface of our planet is endlessly varied, the world beneath is a realm of immense pressure and unimaginable heat. If we could journey to the center of the Earth, we would find several distinct layers, much like an onion: crust, mantle, outer core, inner core. At the very heart lies the core, incredibly hot, rivaling the surface of the Sun. It is primarily made of iron and nickel. A solid inner core is kept solid by immense pressure, while a liquid outer core churns around it. That motion generates Earth's magnetic field, an invisible shield against harmful solar radiation. Surrounding the core, the mantle makes up most of Earth's volume and is a world of semi-molten rock. Not liquid like water, it behaves like an incredibly slow-moving, thick substance, like asphalt or honey, over geologic time. Slow convection in the mantle is the hidden engine moving continents on the surface. Heated material rises, cools, and sinks in a perpetual cycle shaping our world for billions of years. Resting atop this motion is the thinnest layer, the crust, the solid rock we live on, thin as an apple's skin compared to Earth's size. Encircling our planet is an invisible blanket of gas, the atmosphere, held by gravity and essential for life. It is a complex mixture of gases: nitrogen, oxygen, argon, carbon dioxide, and water vapor. We, and countless other creatures, depend on oxygen for every breath. High in the stratosphere, ozone forms a crucial barrier absorbing most harmful ultraviolet radiation. The atmosphere also shields us from small meteoroids, burning them up before they reach the ground. Furthermore, it acts as a planetary greenhouse, trapping some heat and keeping Earth habitable. Without this natural greenhouse effect, average temperatures would plunge below freezing with extreme day-night swings. This blanket of air is in constant motion, creating the phenomenon we experience as weather. Uneven solar heating drives winds that circulate around the globe. Warm air rises, cools, condenses into clouds, and returns as rain, snow, or hail. This cycle distributes heat and moisture worldwide, sustaining climates and ecosystems. From a distance, Earth is a water world, about 71% covered by water, giving it the blue marble look. Over 97% is salty ocean, immense and deep. Oceans cradle extraordinary diversity of life. Driven by winds, temperature differences, and salinity, oceans form powerful currents, a global conveyor belt transporting heat toward the poles. Fresh water, though a small fraction, flows in rivers, fills lakes, locks in ice, and hides in aquifers, sustaining land life. Water journeys from ocean to cloud to river and back in a perpetual water cycle, vital for ecosystems worldwide. The sun drives evaporation. Rising moist air cools and condenses. Precipitation replenishes rivers, soils, and seas. This cycle helps purify and redistribute our key resource. Water, the universal solvent, transports nutrients within organisms and across ecosystems, central to photosynthesis and climate moderation. From cells to climate, water is Earth's lifeblood, the medium where life began and continues. Life on Earth is abundant, resilient, and astonishingly diverse. Biodiversity. It spans the simplest bacteria to the largest animal ever, the blue whale. From towering redwoods to delicate forest fungi. Over billions of years, species adapt to every niche, from deep sea trenches to alpine peaks. Primary producers, plants, algae, and some bacteria, use photosynthesis to convert carbon dioxide and water into sugars, releasing oxygen. Energy flows through food chains and webs. Herbivores eat plants, carnivores eat herbivores, and decomposers return nutrients to the soil. Life isn't evenly spread. Hotspots like tropical rainforests and coral reefs teem with species, while arid deserts and polar regions hold fewer, yet life persists. Well, that's the miracle of biodiversity. The rhythm of our planet is marked by cycles that shape every life. One of the most significant is the changing of the seasons. Seasons are not caused by distance to the sun, but by Earth's axial tilt, about 23.5 degrees. As we orbit the sun, different regions receive sunlight more directly at different times, creating distinct seasons. When the north tilts sunward, days lengthen and temperatures warm. The south tilts away, with shorter, colder days. 6 months later, the situation reverses. This celestial dance influences plant growth, animal migrations, agriculture, and culture. Weather is the short-term state of the atmosphere. It can change in minutes. Complex interactions between temperature, air pressure, humidity, and wind drive weather. Heat and moisture move around the planet, from a gentle breeze to a powerful hurricane. Over decades, averages define climate zones: tropic, temperate, polar, arid, shaping ecosystems. For most of Earth's history, life shaped the planet. But in a short geologic moment, one species, humanity, has become a dominant force. People live from Antarctica's ice to remote desert oases. To support billions, we've reshaped the surface: cities, roads, farms, and dams. We are now architects of our environment at planetary scale. We harness water, cultivate soils, and mine minerals and metals. Over 2 centuries, fossil fuels, coal, oil, gas, have powered industry and progress. They energize homes, industries, and transportation, improving lives worldwide. But this growth carries costs: pollution of air and water, plastic choking seas. Deforestation destroys habitats and reduces nature's capacity to absorb carbon dioxide. Burning fossil fuels adds greenhouse gases, trapping more heat and warming the planet. Consequences include melting glaciers, rising seas, and more frequent heat waves, droughts, and intense storms. These changes threaten ecosystems and human societies worldwide. The challenges are immense, but we are not powerless. Our collective actions can forge solutions. Change begins with small choices: conserving water, turning off lights, using efficient appliances, and recycling. Science and technology help us understand and protect Earth, from satellites tracking weather, oceans, forests, and ice, to ice cores and rock records on the ground. Our connection to nature, its wonder and well-being, motivates protection for future generations. A better path: solar and wind, regenerative farming, strong protections, innovation, cooperation, and shared responsibility. Why does this one planet matter so profoundly? Because it is our only home, the only known haven for life. It provides the air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat, and the materials we build with. Earth is the keeper of life's story, written in rock, water, and DNA, holding our past and cradling our future. It is a dynamic, interconnected system. Our health is bound to forests, oceans, and the atmosphere. We are part of this web of life, with the foresight to understand consequences and choose a different course. So, how will you help care for this extraordinary home today? Each small step matters. Together, We can keep this blue marble vibrant for all life, for all time.